Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a different task to do. My mom just called me and apparently one of her friends, her TV was not working. She's alone, her husband passed away. She asked me for help, so I went there. I managed to fix the TV somehow. And she had a computer there, but she doesn't know the password. So I said, okay, no worries, give it to me. I will have a look if I can fix it, so I will show you how I do it. But first of all, I'm gonna clean this crap because it's full of dust and shit. She had cats. So guys, come with me and I'm gonna show you how I do it. Okay, so now everything is working properly. We're gonna boot into a live version of Windows with a software called Hiren's Boot, in which I have a lot of tools that help me to fix computers. Today we're gonna go specifically in the one that we need to remove the username password, and it's there in passwords, Windows login NTPWF. That's the software I'm gonna use today. So it looks like this. Then we're gonna go into the hard drive inside of the computer where the Windows installation is. For instance, in this computer is the E hard drive. We go into Windows, we look for the file system32, then into config, and then sum is where they store all the data of the users, and then you can choose the one you need and either unlock or change password and then save changes and restart. I already did it, so I'm not gonna do it again. And then once you restart, don't forget to remove the pen drive, otherwise you're gonna boot again into the pen drive. So you remove the pen drive, restart, and you should go straight away to the username that you choose, either straight away into the desktop, or if you change the password, it is gonna ask you the password that you changed. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you've learned something new. If you like it, press on the like button, subscribe, and I will try to make more videos like this. Once again, thank you and see you soon.